my name is Caitlin Rauch and I am the mental health counselor here at OSUIT. I just wanted to introduce myself and to answer some questions that you might have about counseling services. What is counseling? Counseling is a collaborative effort between myself and the student to identify stressors, explore solutions to problems, determine goals, learn coping strategies, and to manage emotions. This is also just a safe spot to express any concerns. What does your first session look like? You'll meet me in my office located in the Student Union across from the post office, or I can meet you via Zoom. We'll go over some basic paperwork, we'll determine why you're seeking counseling, and choose some goals to work towards. How long does a counseling session last? Normally my sessions last between 30 to 45 minutes. However, if you need a quick check-in or we need to extend the session due to some circumstances, that's fine. The number of times we meet really depends on the student's needs. I have some students I've met with a couple of times and other students I've met with weekly over a couple of semesters. What are some reasons students seek counseling? There are a million reasons you might seek counseling. However, some of the most common ones here on the campus are stress, anxiety, self-harm, relationship issues, time management, and grief. There's no wrong reason to seek counseling. Are the things we talk about safe? Yes, everything in session is confidential with 3 exceptions. If there are suicidal thoughts, child or elder abuse, or I get a court subpoena, I must disclose information. Otherwise, everything we talk about stays here. You can find a link to schedule an appointment on the OSUIT Counseling Services website, or you can email me at caitlin.rauch@okstate.edu. I hope this answers some questions and calms your fears about what counseling may look like. Remember, there's always hope and always light at the end of the tunnel.